Maya and I's first time in eWorld Daegu. Maya. Yeah, hi.
Hi. Okay, offer change. Thank you.
It's not as big as Everland, but the tower is here inside the amusement park. Like, they have the Daegu Tower here, and they also have Namsan in Seoul, right there. It's inside the amusement park. So Maya and I got something inside the shop. Look. Show me, Maya. Same. And I got another one. I will. Siguradong mahabang lakaran to. Ay naku, bilis-bilisan na natin. Kasi uwi tayo ng maaga. Para hindi ma-traffic. Ang daming hagdan. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. The weather is so nice today. It's not too cold and it's not too hot.
저거 스스로 신발.
Heavy. How about the other one? Ang daming bata, ang daming estudyante. Kasi last day, hindi last day. Last week ngayon ng school break. Next week, pasukan na nila. Buti ah. Where are we going first, Maya? Medyo malamig ngayon. Buti na lang bumili kami nito. Sale siya. That one? Cable car. Later when we go there. They have Aladdin. I love you. Ang daming gift shops. Photo booth. They have cinema. Kokomong. That's Kokomong right there. Kokomong. They also have snack bar. Where? Do you want to try that? Yes. Come on. Yung gustong sakyan ni Maya, hindi pa siya bukas kasi masyadong maaga pa. So, we decided to get some waffles. Plain waffle lang yung sa akin, pero yung kay Maya may ice cream. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Coffee lang. Show me your waffle ice cream. That's the one. Is it good?
Yes.
Yes. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, parang Everland. Pero, ganda rin siya.
It's too fast.
Oh my God, Maya! I don't know. We have to find it first. Nakakahilo yung una naming sinakyan. Ano ba yan? Maya, dance. Where are we going now? Right there. Medyo mahaba din siya pala. Akala ko maliit lang. Did you have fun?
Yes.
From the rides?
가장 재밌었어요.
Huh? Meron din pala silang zoo. Courtyard garden. Lighthouse. We are now at the farm. They have a small farm here. Small farm and small zoo. Rabbit. Baby's here. Baby's right there. What's in here? Ew, I don't like it. I don't like snakes. Maya, don't go this way. Sorry. We go to the mini animal exhibition. They're just everywhere, but you can't touch them. You cannot touch, but just look. Tira mo yun. Oh, he's knocking. Farm Park. Marami pa doon. Kaso, pagod na tong kasama ko. Let's go to the restroom, Maya. May mga restaurants. Naantay ko si Maya. Kaloka si Maya. Gusto niya sumakay kami dyan. Ay, ayoko kaya. Gusto ni Maya sumakay dyan. Yan, gusto niya yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede na siya sumakay dyan. May limit kasi yung age. Gusto rin niyang sumakay dyan. Ay, naku. Parang magkabarkada lang kami nito. Parang barkada ko lang. Ito na nga yung sinasabi namin eh. Mas mayroon na namang pataas eh. Ay, kapagod kaya.
저거 타야지 안 무서울 것 같아요, 저거.
Nakakapagod. Parang kami lang yung nandito pero nandun sila sa kabila. That's the smoking area. Ayan. Restroom and smoking area. Ayaw nilang pumunta dito kasi mahirap yung pataas. Hey. Oh my God, Maya wants to try this. Oh my God. Oh my God, she wants to try that. Do you want to try that? Okay. Give me your thing. That kid got no fear. Oh my God. He's about to try this one. Let's see. Ay, nakapila na po isa. Fighting! O, diba? Bawing-bawi yung entrance namin. Kasi meron sa aming dalawa yung sumakay ng ano.
모든 준비됐다면 안전바를 가볼게요. 시선은 정면, 고개는 뒤로 안전바 내려갑니다.
Ganyan kataas.
2,
Ay! Kaloka tong si Maya ay. Oh my God. Ay. Oh my God. 아?
근데 타는데 이게 움직여요.
Is it fun?
Yes. 한 번 더 타볼게요.
Nope. As usual, magbabantay na naman ako. Diba? Daming food truck. Uwi kami ng maaga. CR muna ako.